Alright, so as unfair as it seems, here is your second video for the night. And this is on Cramer's rule for a 2x2 system. And this rule was named after this guy his name is Gabriel, I guess you could say, because Gabriel sounds like a girl's name. Cramer. He was a Swiss mathematician from 1704 through 1752. Now you can wow your friends with this little piece of knowledge. I don't want you to confuse it with this guy, who is Cramer from Seinfeld. So what is Cramer's rule used for? It's used to solve a linear system for x and y, like the systems that you did last year in math class when you were trying to solve two lines in standard form, ax plus by equals e, and cx plus dy equals f. And you had to find x and y, and you could find it doing graphing or substitution or linear combinations. And I'm going to show you another way to do it. What you're going to do is you're going to set up coefficient matrix A. And this matrix is made up of the four coefficients in front of the x's and y's. So it's AB, C, D. So that is your coefficient matrix. If the determinant, and this is matrix A, if the determinant of A is not equal to 0, then there is one solution. There is one solution. Okay. So, the way you do this is you need to find the determinant of A. And I just want to point out a couple little things. The determinant can be indicated as det A, or if you write the matrix in vertical lines, this is also notation for determinant. Okay, so this is also the determinant. That also means the determinant. So that is critical, because if I want to find x, this is all plug and chug, okay? I find the determinant of the matrix E, B, F, D, and I divide that by the determinant of A. Similarly, if I want to find the solution to y, I find the determinant of the matrix A, E, C, F, and I divide that by the determinant of A. Okay, are you confused yet? No, of course you're not. And do an example here. So I'm going to use Cramer's rule to find the solution to 9x plus 4y equals negative 6, and 3x minus 5y equals negative 21. Okay, so first of all, let's set up A, our matrix A. And our matrix A is going to be the coefficients for x and y. So I have 9, 4, 3, negative 5. Okay, let's find the determinant of A. So the determinant of A will be 9 times negative 5, or negative 45, minus 3 times 4, minus 12. And that gives us negative 57. So that's not equal to 0, so we'll have one solution. So that will be the denominator for both x and y. So now let's find our values for x and our values for y. So for x, I said you had to use EF negative 6, negative 21, EF, BD, 4, negative 5, all over negative 57. And then for Y, I'm going to set it up very similarly. Well, this is going to be messy, so I'm going to set it up AC, so 9, 3, EF, negative 6, negative 21, all over negative 57. So I need to find these two determinants. Okay, let's go with X first. So X is negative 6 times negative 5, which is 30. So X equals 30 minus negative 21 times 4, which is negative 84. So subtracting a negative is adding. So it's plus 84 over negative 57. So 30 plus 84 is 114 over negative 57, and that gives me an answer of negative 2. Y is 9 times negative 21, or negative 189, minus 3 times negative 6, which is negative 18. Subtracting a negative is like adding, all over negative 57. So negative 189 plus 18 is negative 171, all over negative 57. And I'm going to venture to guess that if I divide negative 171 by negative 57, I get 3. So the moral of the story is these two linear equations intersect at the point negative 2, 3. And I could plug these in. So 9 times negative 2 is negative 18. 4 times 3 is 12. Negative 18 and 12 is negative 6. So check that works. Same down here. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Minus 5 times 3 is 15. So negative 6 minus 15 indeed equals negative 21. Check. Examples for you to do on your own. First one. I want you to find the determinant. Find the determinant of this matrix. And I'm going to throw in a tough one, a 3 by 3. And this matrix. And then, if you are feeling really wild, like you want to give this a shot, I would like you to use Cramer's rule. So use Cramer's rule to solve 3x plus 5y equals 3, and negative x plus 2y equals 10. Okay, good luck, and I will see you on Thursday. So see you Thursday.